8:42 in the morning, Sunday, March 17th. I'm at Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. We got the Arroyo Colorado here. Oh, there was a turtle there, probably. (8:45 in the morning, Sunday, March 17th. I'm at Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. Let me check out the Let's check out the Arroyo Colorado. Let's see what the water level looks like. Let me come here. Somehow just eroded away, or something happened here, but it's not the same. I can't zoom in, but all those little animals you see there are water striders. Let's see if I can zoom in. Those are water striders right on the surface of the water. Kind of murky. You can see the bank, the water level has dropped a lot. It has dropped a lot. Oh. It's a calm current. Let me go back up. Let's see if I can come back up. You know what? I was in the wrong place, that's why. This is where I normally Let's come back over here, trying to see what I want to do. Gotta watch your step here. Sprinkling. So it's sprinkling now. Maybe we'll get some rain. Not as much as what I had seen on the top of the radar this morning. I'm gonna cut the video here shortly. Yeah, let me end the video right here. This is one of the native palm trees here in South Texas.